Hi, welcome to my channel. The Audi A3 will receive an update for the 2024 model year. The modernization will affect both the exterior and the interior of the model. The updated Audi A3 hatchback was noticed during tests almost without camouflage. The compact model has received many changes. It was reported on the site Auto Evolution. The fourth generation of Audi A3 turns 3 years old this year. Updating will modernize the model, making it more attractive to buyers. At the front there will be changed headlights and a new bumper. The radiator grille will become smaller and lose 2 sharp corners. In addition to that, front camera will be noticed on the model for the first time. Hatchback's hood and fenders are almost unchanged. At the back we can find new headlights with modified graphics and modernized bumper. Also worth noting is the new design of the wheel rims. As rumored, the model will get a mild hybrid power plant. This will reduce the load on the engines, as well as reduce the amount of harmful emissions. Premiere of the updated Audi A3 will take place in 2023. Now the model is still being tested before production. Thank you for watching, and subscribe so you don't miss any new videos.